Good afternoon po. Ay ni makasadya na kaya pumunta kami kay Remy. We are going to celebrate Tyra's graduation. Anak po nung sister namin si Ruby. Birthday ng mother ko, tsaka birthday ni Ate Emmy.
Tara po,
si Mar. Tara po, makikain tayo. Si Ate Sita. Dala po niya yung binili niya. Dami po niyang biniling Popeye's chicken. Yung pong ginawa ni Ate Emmy na tropical, na isakay na po. Smile yung fruits and... Okay. Okay. We're on recording, kaya...
Ay, pwede nga. Pwede Kayla sa akin.
Kayla sa akin, anak.
Ito, pwede ka no. Kayla. Let's go.
Wait.
What?
Leave me right. Let me put...
Ito po yung KK. Sa akin niya, kaya kami. Sasakay.
Lauren,
Opo, yes?
I'm just gonna drive myself because I have to look for shorts for Auntie Tyra that she wants to borrow.
Okay.
But,
So we'll go ahead. Ay, Ate
Yeah.
M. Ay, hindi po yung tindami na pong kakalat pa kembali. Kini po. Emi pa. Yak pa may kapag-video kening dito sa garden ni Mara. Yan, meron pa kaming froggy. Meron po kaming kala-kutsa. Tsaka ito paborito, ito lavender. Ay, ay kala-kutsi. Ito po, tinanim ni Ruby nung first time yung dumating dito sa States. Aliyap pa, hindi po na daw sasama si Kayla. Si Maro. Ito po yung mga pag-drive ka ng daily na. So, ayan po. Video lang ng konti bago tayo sasakay. Ayan. Yung pong... Pag po kasi nasa labas po ako ng sunlight, wala po akong ganong nakikita puti lahat. So, ayan po yung mga roses ni Mar. Naka-bloom yung mga white lang, wala yung iba. Wala mong bulaklak yung purple. So, aray! Ano ba yan? Ito po yung cactus na may flowers ngayon. Ito rin po, oh. Ito yung... Ay, nako. Ay, sandali. Ayan po, oh. Nag-overflow na. Asan? Dito? Sorry. Ay. Medyo matrabaho rin po pala yung nagbablog. Ay, ito po yung dala namin. Tropical chicken na luto ni Ate M. Popeye's chicken. Ayan po. Mga fruits. At saka po yung rice. Sakay na po tayo kay Pogi. Ayan po yung bag kong Kuromi. Lagayan ng supplies. Si Kuromi din po ito. Ayan. Katabi namin ni Ate Sits. Si Ate Emmy. Si Mario ang kumikinumpata. Sandali, sasakay na ako. Nagsarado. Ayun po yung baby namin doon. Sige po. See you later. Good afternoon po. Ito po, nakarating na kami sa bahay ni Rem. Nandito na ata si Rosel. Hindi ko alam kung sino na yan. Binitbit na po yung mga pagkain. At ko, videographer po ako. Excuse. Aray. Pasok po tayo. Bless this house and home who enter. Home sweet home. May nagmamadyong pala. Tsaka Tony, hi tita. Kamusta? Hindi ko muna. Ay, si Rosel. Oh, si Rio. Hi, Fanny. Happy birthday. Congrats kay Tyra. Happy birthday kay Ate Emmy. Grad. Nag-aayos pa po sila. Uy, candy. Ay. Wow, aro. Hindi na kayo sumapag. Ay! Ay, ito po, inaayos na ni Rep. Rep, pwede kang sumali dito. Dito sa video ko. Madadaanan ka lang naman.
Chop suey.
Ayan po. Oh, chop suey. Dala ni Rio. Kalabasa, luto ni Remy with shrimps, ginataan. Typical chicken ni Ate Ens. Spaghetti ni Rosel. Ito, dala ni Ate Sita yung papay, oh.
Yeah.
Gagawa yung balon si Rosel, mag-set up ng kempamangan. Siyempre, dinilit ko yun eh. Ayan, makalago na rin. Fruits. Kapo ang ginahita. Ayaw, kasanting na ako. Sino nagsabit yan? Ayan po. Sinang pakakening kae? Ela pwede rin ang mag-madyong eh. Ayan po. Aro nahulog. Ay, magkasakit ang kabi.
Sorry tayo ba? Matanda na ako yung lakay ng katawan ko. Wala ng power.
Ako meron kilikili power.
Spirit is willing but the flesh is weak.
Mami. Ilan taon na dapat si Mami? 88 o 89? Kalago ng ma. Kalupakin.
89.
Kamukha ako. Ay na.
Kaya mo yan yung po, may kain eh. Today. Berta, bumunta na mo rin. Okay. Baligtad Japan.
Sano? Cheesecake? Ah?
Tinya pa kaya ang topping sila.
Ito yung kaya, ito yung picture.
Oh. Aray na po yung cake. Oo, tsaka ng cake sa butson ng cake. Malago ito. Maganda yun. Ay, loko may takaw. Okay. Oh. Chapsoy.
Lutang manyan.
And, pasilip lang sa butson.
Pagkuoras si emergency room manyan.
Nano?
Basa. Ha?
Uy, kita kal ko pantalon. Eh ako sasaling pati yung takal ko cargo pants, large sa makanya na t-shirt, target ngan. 50% off. Irandi XL, double XL ka pa. Ayan ito. Ito. Ayan ang hinuto ng cake. Oh, chicken.
Karami niyan. Sino mga bisita? Sino Ate Esther?
Sabi niyo, huwag mag-imbitan, no? I cannot invite anybody. Ikaw sinabi mo lang si Ate Pres, kaya lang they're going to Las Vegas. Is this?
Sana chicken. Sa dito.
I thought, Yachi, sinaliya pa. Oh, shrimp.
No. Oh.
So we have shrimp from
Spaghetti ba? Oh, spaghetti dito.
Royal Mandarin King San Diego. Royal Mandarin Szechuan Mandarin Cantonese. Ay, ito po yung crispy lechon ni Kay. Oh, chicken. Pero bukas kapit ako. Iwan mo kabut kene?
Kita.
Ah, karing dessert. Oren ni Butchi, budi mo laring ken? Ay, ano ba yan? Why is this here on the floor? Kila, can you please fix this one, anak? I'm doing a video. It was on the way. Where are your brother and sister? They're coming. There's so much we don't have visitors. Ayan si Tyra. Subak. Shell. Kathy. Ayan po si Tay. And si Kim. Kantaan ng Bini. Bini ba yan?
No.
Sino siya? Who is the artist? I don't know her. Do you sing too? Kompleto na ba? Ito na po. Meron po tayong I forgot. Nailagyo at check. Ano kasi pangalan? Butchi. Tropical chicken. Spaghetti. Chicken from San Diego. Then what is this? What is this, Rem? Brisket. Oh, this is a brisket now. Brisket with baby potatoes. Oh. And then if we go here. Oh, that's my favorite chapsay. We have the chapsuy. At ko pang norcal ay katulog. Ito po yung dessert. Meron po tayong parang brownies or chocolate cake, cheesecake, fruits, and
Pag-stop down na lang sa mga maliliit na monitor.
candies. Oh, ito medyo marami-rami na po kami. Kuya, kain na kayo. Kuya, kain. Ay, ito po yung kinuha ko. Medyo malambot, chapsuy, lechon, at saka japsay. Yan, sisita pa ka marano. Ay, ni Amy. Amy, say hi to my vlog. Ay, nanak na. Janine. Nanak, sila dito ba? Stella. Ay, Stella. Stella yan sa China, le. Oh, Annalyn. Ate. Hello. There's Ginataan. Ay, Rose, si Kuya. Forma. Si Ate Vicky. Rose, say hi to my vlog. Hello. Please subscribe her. Need money. Please subscribe.
Kaya malaki ko yung mga apo ko ba?
Po, thank you. Kiss kita. Kahit minsan lang, tapos huwag nilang panoorin. Para lang mamit
Pwede naman panoorin, lagay mo lang doon sa tayo.
Lagay mo, tapos baligtarin mo.
Dahil hindi mag-i-stay ka naman, wala kang bayad.
Oo, wala. Thank you, Ate Vicky. Wala si Ate Elsie. Asan si Ate Josie? Ate Josie!
Wait, what's it?
Dalawang klase lang. Oy, si Sita, sinali ang papa. Ay, regalo na yun, kamal pa.
Magpaganda lang. Bukas na yung party bukas.
Naman, Sharon ka. Ba, nakawag ka pa wala namang makakain. Bakit hindi ako mag-uwi? Ino-offer nila. Walang bisita, kami lang.
I'm looking younger and sexy.
Rose! Good job, good job.
Where's the cake?
Kahit Rose! Wala mo yung Sharon.
Happy birthday!
Oh, forget your gift. I'm gonna be here at
Ate Josie! Dito na kayo. Hindi ko kayo mag-video dyan. O, si Ate Elsie, bumata. Ready na siya. When you get the cake.
Mula kanina.
Saan galing ang cake, tita? Is this from Red Ribbon? Ay, hindi. Ayun. Sweeten your life.
Kalabasa?
With strawberries.
Huwag ba yung linapit yung bagay?
Oy, huwag niyo kunin yung chair ko.
Kasi tayo na.
Paano na yung birthday? Ate Josie, Ate Jackie, Tita Jackie.
Kaya kuha ko na yung suwan pa ako naman.
Hello po. Di gaano makakain.
Once you get your diploma, get it mounted right away.
Mr. Martin!
I waited not mine. It's all wrinkled. I don't care about my undergrad. I
Concert
don't
siya
care
bukas, kaya na.
I don't even know where my undergrad goes. My master's.
May concert siya sa bukas sa Pachanga. So,
You gotta apply the phrase back right away. I was like, $300 for a frame?
Okay, go talk to your Ay, tapoy ina. Iba. Stella.
Parehas ko ni Ina.
Hi, Hudi Ina, anak niya. Anak ko si Kay.
You and Swati.
Ito yung Mikmik. Ito rin ba yung gato? Mikmik, anak ni Rose.
don't consent.
Pogi.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, you like, you subscribe to my
Doesn't have a YouTube account. What?
Really? Ron Ron. Machu, anak ni Ruby. Jordan, anak ng Rose. Mario, anak ng Apple Dani. At si Sita, anak ng Apple Millian. Oy, ano mo pala kaya kita, kaya pag ito mo sa Ipagpatawad mo, hindi kami. Kyra, wait. Oy, nung maliit ka, dumating ka, nagkakanta, tapos ayaw mo nang magkanta. Creighton, when she first came here, she was singing, and then she didn't want to sing. Now she's singing again. Kayla, sing na. Minahal kita. At ito, baby, yun. Eh, payat ka. Ito po si, magkakanta mamaya itong dalawang singer. Si Tita Jackie at saka si Tita Josie. Sino ikaw? Si Imelda Papi? Eh, si ikaw? Si Rose? Mamaya. Kain na kayo. Abi, Matthew, Jacob, Ina, anak ng Susan. Mga anak ka. Mga anak kayo. Oh, si Joel. Joel, video kita. Hindi ako makapag-video dyan. Mga kapatid.
Yeah.
Anak ng Susan, ang boyfriend, Gala. Oh, si Tito Joel. Oy, nagbigo pala kayo ng Mother's Day, ha?
Hindi na tuloy.
Pinandun daw, ay, ho nga pala na-cancel. Maganda yung boses niya. She can sing.
Oh, no, I can't.
No, you can. Sing in your house. Anak ni Bandil tsaka ni Susan. Family of singers.
Anak ko.
Kaibigan din ang anak mo.
Sabi na sa personality. Ay! Talaga! Alis na ako!
Alis ka na. Hindi ka na.
Ano, kanina pa ako?
Ginawa mo sana.
Nagtokit na nga. Nagtokit na nga. Ano ba?
Tunget.
Nagtokit na nga kami
Di
ganito.
ba puti yung asawa mo? Kumakain siya ng gusto.
Opo, pero sa ko na ano? Ayaw, Joel. Kita ko na.
Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako. Dadalang pala ng hangin. It's Mama Rose. Ako'y nga po ng Amy. Hanap ang yakap ko. Pulos lang yung puso. Matigas kundi ang luha. Ang hapdin nitong pag-ibig. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Dadalhin ang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng KK, wait. Dadalhin sa aking palasyo. Dadalhin ang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Okay po, nandito na si Ate Josie. Magka-birthday tayo. Ay, hindi. December pala siya. Magkaisinidad kami. Happy birthday, Mami!
Is it faster than your bike? Yeah, is your bike?
Doon o, yung sit down ni Ate Josie. Tay.
You get to
Over there near Ate Josie.
My other bike, I wasn't sick.
Kawakawani mo, po itong paro.
Why did you get a faster bike?
It's cheap. I got a good
Anak ni Susan, Galang, and Fred. Oh. Punta ako doon. Ayusin mo. Go ahead, Stella. Ate, doon ka sa sulok.
Auntie, if you make money off this video, I want my cut.
Yeah. Oh, here's ay nilagyan John Lloyd. John Lloyd. Ayan o. Uuwi daw sa Pilipinas mag-artista. Si Matthew. Jacob.
Need your love. Let's be your
Round one and we'll watch the
with
Jackie! Jackie! Hindi ka pwedeng umuwi ng walang kanta.
my darling,
Matthew! While you're holding your phone.
All right, hey, we're gonna watch. Hey, we're gonna watch Lilo and Stitch tomorrow with Eva. That's fine. We'll go in my hair. I'm locking it in. Let's go, Eva.
Puro dalaga na lahat ng mga pamangkin at binata. At may nagbibinatalo. Oh, Kendra! Kendra, anak ni Condigo Tuason. Kendra, oh, so pretty. She loves you. You're so pretty.
Hi, Kendra, I haven't seen you in forever. What's your baby?
Yes, I have two now.
What?
I have two.
What?
I don't put my kids on until I get sermonized.
The next singer is Miss Jackie.
Abay, may anda pa.
Alright! Jackie! Jackie, good job!
Oh, sabahan natin.
Imelda Papi.
Tali ako. Meron ka sa loob kasi sa katalong sa
Karaoke training.
Hey, who ate on the stairs? Tyra! Who ate on the stairs? No one picked that up.
It was Matthew. It was Matthew.
It was Tyra with the watermelon. Wow! Duet!
isang laruan. Ako ayaw mo na matapos ang kitin, pag-ibig kong tagal, iniwan mo akong may dusa luhan. Hindi ako laruan ngayong iniwan, matapos ang kitin at pagsama, ako'y I should have lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you were missing. How long miles away with the last train leaving? How much has it gone? The thing that I was born to see, I should have. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity, guys. Appreciate it. Happy birthday! Thank you.
Happy birthday din sa'yo!
Ano yan? Maybe
Oh, yeah, you got the bus.
Baby, you don't know me anymore than I know you. And they would mind you are correct. Honey, watch you leaving with the tears in your eyes. And it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you. And if I was someone, I'd be right by your side.
nagmamanage si Tita Jackie ng isang
There's
karaoke.
arms on my shoulder.
Entertainer talaga yan, oh.
My shoulder.
Okay, tip, 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 tip.
Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you were insane.
Oh, tako yung
Baba na, sorry.
Ayaw niya ako magkanta.
You know I hate to think that someone
Tapos
could have loved you more than me.
manonood yung
And at times like this, I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder. Don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Love somebody, love somebody, the way I love you.
My mom served us that a long time ago.
Baby, you don't know.
Di ba kamukha ni Julia yung alaga ko? Tira.
Love somebody,
Ina.
love somebody.
KK. Ano pa ni Julia yung alaga ko?
You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't
Sino kamukha ng alaga ko? Yung nanay niya o ako?
love somebody.
Ay, kanya.
Some kind of life
Yeah, total performer.
never shown me. How I want my life to be. Even you,
Nasa rin nagkakita.
Right now?
there's a way I'm trying to be. Everybody say, do each and every little thing. But what does it bring? Hey, got you. Hey, got you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody,
Love somebody.
the way I love you. My brain, I see your face again. I'm on a frame of mine. Ain't gotta be so blind. Yeah, I'm blind, so very blind. I'm a woman. And you see what I am. I live and breathe for you.
Was she coming?
What good does it do? Hey, got you. Hey, got you. Yeah, you don't know what it's like. Yeah, you don't know what it's like. Love somebody the way I love you. Yeah.
Here, quick.
Of the Majo. They were on the road. Ayan na po Fred and Susan. Where are they? Areta. Anak niya po yung Charmaine. Si Fred po sa Purok 5. Sapang Bato. Kapatid ni Mila Galang at saka ni Pogi Galang. Tsaka ni Boya. Ito po ang sa harapan ni Remy. Yan po. Ito po yung bahay niya.
No.
Hey! Hey! Jordan, you surprised me. Tara, tara! Itamo mo! Kenny, Kenny! Ay! Bala ako di! Ay! Pinakbag ko! Ichingnet pala!
Ay, mabagdog ka. Ay, mag-nexon.
Ayan, chingneto! May kahuli na!
Hindi ako munta dala ko yakakit po ba? Tara.
Remy na pang lakay na kausan. Chingneto, boy Condel. Oy, Comboy! Kenny, tara! Kita mo mo! Alamang bisita. Tara, tara! Basta magkanta ni Charmaine.
Tagay mo.
Kenny, Pin. Sabi mo di. Talang pumanik ko.
Hermay. Din balik din eh.
Bale ng Remy. Ay, minta. Kapag dita, Kenny. Kenny, mga anak kayo. Tara. May kanta yan. May dintani ka. Magkanta ka kanyan. Ay, pagputi ng buhok mo. Ay, ni Susan. San mag-say hi ka? Asawa ng Fred. Ay, ni Conte. Congratulations. Ni Conte lang po itsigneto. Oh. Gewaring Angeles. Sapang Batuing State sa Puerto Pilipinas. Sige mga. Thank you for singing. Ayan ni Fred Bandi. Ni Comboy. Oh, Comboy, magkaya ka sa akin. Paglag ko. Mga anak ko pa mo. Itamo mo. Lupuri yung pani kay microwave. Sige, mga anak kayo. Condel. Giwa mo niya ang Angeles sa Pambating States. Nani to? Nani yan? Kaya mabala ka ako sa sisi.
Ayaw ko maglaro ng
Signet, mga anak ko pa. Ames! Bomboy, mga anak ko. Isa kang beer? Isa kang beer?
Good boy na yan eh.
Mga anak ko, paano you get ang my phone? Ay, Jacob! Ay, Jordan! Can you get the fruits? Let's put them here.
I thought you were leaving.
Comboy! Mga anak ko.
Malaksana na yan.
Comboy! Galang! Boy Paluhara!
Oo, sana
prenda ka sa sagutan.
Mananong tonight ang test ko sabihan mo, bako Singapore, ay bako Thailand, ay bako kay Bali, Vietnam, Vietnam, Bali, ko Japan.
Wow! Talaga.
Ngay.
O tayo kita Japan.
May yung Facebook ang nagiging
Eh kung malakit ka rin nga yung... wala ba yung Marlin? Eh wala yung Kylie. Kylie connect yung pasibay. Magaling na ka-chair. San? At yung dessert kita, oh. At yung dessert kita, Fred, bandiyak sana eh. Cowboy. At yung dessert kita, oh. Mga kayo maganda. Ito yung mga Romy kaya nakyo.
Mukhang kaya pulo yan.
Apo ng Amy. Brina kami.
Sabi niya yung pala yung Babang Bell.
Stella.
Ang anak na,
Papa Mara, sige, no.
Kevin. Kevin.
Nani, pink ka niya, graduation eh. Walang baby shower. Nanya kami.
Uy, maganda na ka siya, May. Tyra! Charmaine is going to sing. O, magkanta yung anak ng Fred.
You're going to work?
Colin sick. Ay, Kate.
Ay, ito basurahan mo.
Rosel, mag-work ka sabi. Mag-work si Rosel. Yun si Rose. Mga kapatid ko, si Rose, si Rosel, si Rio, si Kay. Sino pang nandito? Si Kay. Sel, itang bag. Ngunit, tsaka yung kotse mo.
No, you're in I don't know, you said...
Tsaka yung kotse mo yung bag, patukin kay Mark.
Yeah, you're inside.
Yeah, you used to talk about somewhere with the sun.
Oh, there's Michael! Michael, you eat and they're waiting for you. Kayla! 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 Isaiah sing? Yes? ko, yun. Punta ka bali, palitan mo yun, mas kupite ka.
Wow, 35 misero. May tabako eh.
Wala may tapos.
34, 32.
Nawin
34, 33.
Thank you. Thank you, bye. Ano pa yung kanta, Mr. May? Ay, just for Lord.
Burn to my feather. You know the pop song. What up, Benny? Let's see it.
Why did you sing Benny for Paparita?
Yeah, I'll do the dance if you sing it.
Oh, see?
Cherry on top.
Going to that concert when they move here?
Gano'n mo rin, Bini. Kanta ka. Bini. So.
How much are the tickets?
Billy?
Oh, yeah. Baan na rin, Bini. Magkanta. Which one?
Let's go! What's up, Benny?
We're sold out.
They sold out. God.
Well, there's 12 of us. What?
Me and Mama Rose have tickets to the Bini concert. Or if they're going to buy it, I'll sell it. 3 times the price.
Very sweet. I mean, I like all of
Two old
them.
sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago.
Read the side, it tells you enough.
How are they to know? Beneath the more than randomness, maybe it's time. There'll be more than
Malayang out kayo.
maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his love. It feels so right. Maybe this time love won't die. Just smile for me and let the day begin.
Magkabi ka di.
You wanted sunshine, lights my heart within. I'm sure that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hand, dance together, we will rise. On the wings of love, open above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high, flying high above.
June 9. Oh, almost.
Masayang pagmalaki kita ka. Wala na pangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone
Dance,
else with
Selena.
you. Parang isang pagtropiko. Yeah, dance with you sa isang
Michael. Ina's boyfriend. Just stay with her. Stay with him so I can get you.
tayo'y na ako'y sa'yo ay kahit lamang.
Yes. Global Sharon. Sharon Taba. Pinili yung taba ng brisket.
Ibigin ka laging
Ipagnoyin ko bukas wing sila.
Kamatis. Kamatis.
Hahanapin muli.
At siya gagawin.
Hahanapin din pagdating ng panahon. Baka ika'y natakot, baka tibok ng puso
dala ka magpapagkanta.
Ay, dala ka, ano papapagkanta? Kili.
Ay, naman abaw ka nito. 80 na ka nito.
Kukuha ni Ron.
Really? No?
Kukuha ni Kochi yun ng trash can.
Who's singing?
Ba't nabi ay tayo, Mar?
Just me? No, someone join me.
We don't know that.
You know this one?
I know what it is, but I don't know.
You know the song to her.
Pay, pay.
Oh, thanks.
Shit, that's loud.
Let's take our time.
Why?
Look, girl.
Nacho.
Here's your brother-in-law, Matthew.
Eldest ng Ruby.
Pay, check, pay.
Archie Tate and Peyton.
In this world, your eyes are where I'm lost in. Underneath the chandelier, there's no reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. Baby, let's just turn down the light and close the door. Ooh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. Oh, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor.
Kanya pala yan.
Take it off for me, for me. Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Take off. You won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just chill till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Ooh.